Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got 5 front flippers right over here with me for a quick comparison review. Please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. So let's get started. Basically, we've got like from the smaller to the bigger, to the biggest knife lined up here just to check them out real quick. These are front flippers, which means that you're going to be able to deploy the blade not with a regular flipper tab like this guy over here, but it's just going to be in the front of the blade, so mainly in this area over here. And you see that these are presenting different mechanism to deploy the blade. So in this case, we've got the React-made Apache knife Peña X series. This is a fat carbon exclusive, but nonetheless, you can deploy the blade using your fingertip of your index, or you can use your thumb like that. So this is one mechanism, for example, very different than the CVV, which has the jimping going on all around this pointy flipper tab, which is going to be, of course, deployable with the index, or again with your thumb. But very, very different design indeed. This is CVV McKenna, of course, copper scales and black Damascus blade. This is the TBC Trevor Berger custom knives, LEXK Plus, and as well, you see, you can deploy the blade very, very easily with the index finger. So you see, just press like this and it's gonna pop right open, or of course you just use the same angle right over here and you deploy it with your thumb. But again, very, very different design, for example, with the compared to the McKenna or compared to the Peña. Absolutely different design mechanism. This is the Gareth Ball Shamwari 3.3 inches. It's a great knife, guys. Really, really slick. This is a custom, really expensive. And again, it has a very different mechanism. I mean, same mechanism, but different design, because you can see that the only protruding part is this one, and there's the jimping going on all the way up to here, which is going to be, of course, super easy to deploy with the index finger, or again with the thumb like that. In this case, I prefer it with the thumb because it's just it's so easy, so nice, and the geometry is so well done that this is gonna be fantastic. But I mean, you can also use your index finger, absolutely. And then we've got the Custom Knife Factory. This is a 520, designed by Philippe Georget. Beautiful, beautiful knife. And of course, you can do, sorry, not like that. You can do index finger, flip kind of method, or just use your thumb as well. But again, this is like kind of like a squarey front flipper tab with the jimping going on right over here. There's nothing going on over there, and this is just because it's gonna hit the stop pin right there, and you have the functional jimping going on right over here. So basically the mechanism is the same, but you have just slightly different designs in the, let's say, front flipper tab. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.